everyone, and welcome back to Akshita's Recipes. Thank you so much for being here today. So today's recipe is Goan Doce Bhaji or Lapsi. So this is made from dalia or broken wheat, which is very healthy, and you can have this as a light breakfast or a light meal in the summertime. It's super simple. So let's just go into my kitchen and start with today's lovely recipe. So here I have 100 grams of broken wheat called dalia or lapsi rava. It's easily available in general stores and is very reasonable too. Now here I have half a cup of guar jaggery, also called palm jaggery or made se god. I've just grated it using a cheese grater. Now I'm also going to be using half a cup of sugarcane jaggery or the general, yellow jaggery that you get in stores. This is 1 cup of thick coconut milk, about 3/4 of a teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder. I've just used 3 cardamoms and ground them to a fine powder after peeling it. And 1/4 cup of chopped nuts. That is, I've used cashew nuts and almonds. And we're going to use about 3 or 4 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter. So let's start with today's lovely recipe. Now I'm going to first heat a pan and I'm going to add this dalia or broken wheat, and we're going to dry roast this for at least 5 whole minutes on a low to medium flame, stirring continuously. So don't leave it unattended, but just stir it continuously. This is very important, so don't skip this step. We need to roast this dalia really well. Now you'll see after 5 to 10 minutes it will change, after 5 minutes rather, it will change into a little darker brown color. Now I'm going to add the thick coconut milk and we're going to stir the two really well together. Now this coconut milk is going to cook the dalia. It's very similar like when you're making something with rava. You add the milk and you let it cook. Now we're going to add the lovely flavor of the guar jaggery and also the sugarcane jaggery. So now we're going to mix this well till the jaggery nicely melts and mixes up with the rest of the mixture. That's very important. And you will see that as it starts cooking, you will get this lovely dark brown color. As the guar jaggery starts cooking with the rest of the ingredients, you'll get a lovely dark color to this doce bhaji or lapsi. Now we're going to add the cardamom powder or the elaichi powder. So I've just peeled 3 cardamoms and then ground it in my mortar and pestle to a very fine powder, or you can use ready-made elaichi powder. Now I'm just going to add a few drops of ghee, say about 3 or 4 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. This will enhance the flavor of the dish as well as give it a lovely texture. And now I'm just going to stir the mixture on a low to medium heat, stirring continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes. And you will see that the consistency of this mixture will turn, it will change, it will start thickening, and then you'll get this ghee on the edges. Just scrape it off and, get it to the center like I'm doing when I'm stirring, like that. And just keep stirring continuously. Don't leave it unattended. You can control the heat by making it from low to medium to high, and then after some time, after 5 to 7 minutes, you'll see that the whole thing has come together like this, and our doce bhaji is ready. You can put the flame off, and now I'm just brushing a plate. You can also use a mold or a bowl, and I'm just going to transfer this into that bowl, and you can see how thick the mixture has become. And now with the spatula, I'm just going to flatten the top using any flat, you can use a vati also or a spatula like this. And now all we have to do is just garnish it with some chopped nuts. Now I've used cashew nuts and almonds, but you can use any dry fruits or nuts of your choice. I've just chopped them up roughly, and I'm just going to garnish it with the chopped nuts. And then we have to refrigerate this for at least 2 to 3 hours till it sets nicely, because then we're going to cut it up into whatever desired shape and serve it. So this is really delicious, and it's also very healthy. So I'm going to put it into my refrigerator to set. for about 2 to 3 hours or even longer. You can even keep it overnight. And you will see after 2 to 3 hours, it nicely thickens and sets really well. And now we're just going to cut it up. So I'm cutting it up just into 4s. You can even cut it up into squares. If you're putting it into a square mold, the choice is yours. And you can see that it's nice and all ready to eat. So give this recipe a try, guys. Wasn't that a real simple and easy recipe? So do give it a try. It's very healthy. You can incorporate it as a breakfast. Instead of having anything really heavy, you can have this during the summer months or something light, or you can have it as an evening tea time snack. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the big like button that you see below this video. I do need those likes. Also, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. I need more subscribers too. And once you have hit the subscribe button, click the bell and click on all. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you will get a message for the same that Akshata has put up a new recipe, so you won't miss out anything. And I have loads and loads of recipes coming your way. So do write to me in the comment section. I love hearing from all of you, and I write to almost everyone. And let me know if you're looking for any particular recipe, or if you want to share any particular recipe. If you don't want to share it in the comment section, I always leave my contact email in my drop box below and the comment section. You can send me an email with any recipe that you know which is traditional and you want other people also to know this rare recipe. It would be fabulous. I would love to learn to make something new too, because these are all my moms and grandmoms on both paternal and maternal sides that my mother has written down in her recipe book, so I can share all these recipes with you all. I can make it for my family and keep the traditions alive. So do share your recipes, guys. It will be really so helpful, and many other people also will come to know about these rare traditional recipes or authentic Goan recipes that are there. So that way we can get a taste of our history and our culture. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting Akshata's recipes by being here and watching my recipes. It means the world to me. And I'll take your leave for today, but I'll be back soon with loads and loads of recipes. Till then, guys, take care of yourselves, stay healthy and stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. And I'll catch you soon. Bye!